What's good, everybody? Today, I just want to cook up a beat. No storyline, I just want to cook up a beat. And the type of beat that I want to make, or that I'm planning on making, is a Teezo touchdown type beat. He's an up-and-coming artist that I've been listening to a lot lately, and I love just the genre bending that he does within his music. You should definitely check him out. Thank you for choosing to click on this video today, and let's cook. Take my love away. You can never take my love away. Yeah, you can never take my love away. 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 Like that. Okay, so I like the way this beat is coming together. We still got some other elements to add to it, but really quick, I wanted to say thank you to today's sponsor. This video is being powered by DistroKid. DistroKid is a service that allows you and I as musicians to get our music out to the masses via any music distributor you can think of, from Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal. The dope thing about DistroKid is that for only one fee once a year, $19, you can upload an unlimited amount of music and get it out to your fans so that you can continuously get paid, as well as those that are on your team. So if you're interested in learning more about DistroKid, I encourage you to use this link below. Doing so helps out this channel tremendously. Thank you so much. Now, back to the beat. Yeah, I like this. This came out more trippy red than it did Teezo Touchdown. So I think I might use that for a future video. These are some really like feel good stadium vibes that I think even a collaboration between the two of them would be fire over something like this. But yeah, that can close this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video. Much love. I'll see you really soon with some new fresh content. Peace. You can never